Here's an tutorial how to microwave a food. Grab the item in the microwave, put it on a plate. It'll take you some time, so. And also, I know how to do this, so, and even though I'm a kid, I know how to do this, so. If you're a kid, do not try this at home, just try it for a parent or something. And then after that, for cane sauce, or whatever. And then after, you put this on the plate, and then you grab it, and you put it on the microwave. Please do this with parents. I know how to do this, so that's why I'm doing it by myself. Okay, next, put it in the microwave, and then close it. And then put it for how many minutes? This 1 means 1 minute, 2, 3, 4, 5, those are minutes. Usually just add 30 seconds. And then you just wait. 30 seconds, so this will be more than 30 seconds. You gotta wait for these guys. You can just skip to part where this thing is done microwave. And I can't cut this thing because I'm recording on a phone. And this is already 1 minute, or past 1 minute. And then after all of this, after it turns 0, grab your food, and then the last step, you can now enjoy your food.